Temporary email generator Telegram bot. So in this video, I will show you step by step on how to get temporary email for verification. So after you open up now your phone, go and open up your Telegram app. After you come to Telegram, go to search. In this search bar, go and search for drop mail. Dropmail.me, here is it now. After you open this Telegram bot, tap on this start button. So from this option now, if you want to generate email, all you have to do now, you can tap on this button and tap on this generate random email. So from this section now, I get this email. If you want to generate another one, you can use tap on this button and tap on this generate random email. So you can keep doing this by generating different email. As you can see now, this one is different with this one. If you want to use the email for verification, just tap and hold on email and copy the email. So after you copy the email, now you can go ahead and use the email on your phone. So if you receive a verification code in the email, now you can just go back to the Telegram bot. As you can see now, here is my verification code. That's it guys on how to get temporary email generator bot, or how to get temporary email for verification. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.